That's an old narrow one.
18 tons in 6 minutes. Was built in 1904. Ano? So, pupunta kami guys sa kabilang farm. Baba Black Sheep. First birthday card. Let's go for a walk. Pasakay kami guys. Morning guys. Happy Tuesday. Happy birthday to me. Ang lamig-lamig dito sa farm guys. Labas na tayo. Gagawa ako ng French toast. Freezing. Foggy morning. Good morning, Kimber. Grabe yung fog. Oh. You can't even see there anymore.
Well, just when Dad got up here, because you couldn't see the fence.
Really? I'm gonna make a French toast. Let's go. Gawa tayo ng French toast, guys. Itlog, talong itlog, tsaka nilagyan ko ng milk. Full cream milk. Wala tayong ano eh.
You want tomato, Dan?
Wala tayong condensed milk. Minsan condensed milk or evaporated milk. Mas masarap. Tapos may tinapay tayo dito. And mag-preheat tayo ng ito. Lagyan ng konting butter. 1 French toast down. Tapos si Papi Greg ay naggagawa ng tomatoes. Ito yung isa natin. Ayan. So yung ginagawa ko, meron yung milk tsaka dalawang itlog. Tapos isusok ko siya ng konti. Mabilis lang na soaking. Para hindi siya soggy. Tapos baliktarin mo siya. Pag ano. Saka mo siya ilalagay sa pan. Ayan. Ganun lang, mabilis lang. Diba? Pero lagyan mo ng butter na konti. Ito guys ha. Lagyan nyo ng butter. Para hindi siya mag-stick sa pan. Kawawa naman si Kimber sa labas. Uy, Kimber!
Kimber!
First birthday card! I know what's in it too. No surprise. Ta-da!
Oh no! I was supposed to give this to Janet.
Scratchies! Malay nyo.
Well, someone's got to win something soon.
Lovely card. Look at that. Very nice. Maybe, who knows? One of these cards will be a winning card, you know? Walang panalo. Ayan yung ating card. Walang panalo. Akala ko nanalo ako $1,000. Come on. Let's go for a walk. Kimber, punta kami dun guys, oh, sa may shed. Yan. Sabi ni Papi Greg, may ghost daw dito sa farm. Pero, good ghost daw. And he died in that shed, that cottage there. Tagabantay siya ng farm noong unang panahon. So, doon kami pupunta sa shearing shed. Hindi ko sure kung yan ba o sa kabila. So, doon pa sa dulo. Kakaligo ko lang guys, ang lamig-lamig. Ang lamig-lamig. Hindi ko na blow dry ang buhok ko. Ang lamig ng ihip ng hangin. Kanina nung umaga, nung pagising namin, frosted lahat. Yung sasakyan, frosted. Tapos, ang fog na hindi mo halos makita yung farm kasi sobrang foggy. Sobrang kapal ng fog. Tingnan nyo itong si Kimber na to. Matagal na dito na pusa ng ano yan, ng mga pamangkin namin. Dati pa yan sa Kataning. Sa dating bahay dun sa Kataning. Tapos dinala ni Jamie dito ng brother-in-law ko dito. At hindi na dinala dun sa Albany. Kasi mas gusto niya daw dito. Ang laki-laki ng pusa na yan. At well-behaved. So, ito yung mga silos, guys. Para sa pagkain ng sheep. What is this one? Workshop? Dito tayo, guys. Workshop daw to. Social yung pusang ito, oh. Ang laki-laki niya. Ayan yung pagkain niya, oh. Social? So, ito yung workshop. Oh. What is that one there? The red thingy.
Goes along the header.
Yeah.
The header,
Ah, okay.
and the tractor's on the front. And you fill it up, and that auger swings out, and you fill the big bins up, which are over at Oxonia.
So, sabi daw ni Papi Greg, eto daw, it can hold 18 tons in 6 minutes. Ang laki. Ang bilis. Tsura ni Baba, oh. What you doing, Baba? So, guys, yung nakikita yung greens na yan, oh. Ayan, napadik. Tawag dyan, tapadik. Oats daw yan. Hanggang doon, oats daw yan doon, oh. Tapos dito, oats din yan lahat. So, dito tayo pupunta sa may shearing shed. Dito sila nagsishear ng mga sheep. Na-mention ko na to kahapon. Tinanong ko si Papi Greg kung ilan ang total ng numbers of sheep dito sa farm. A total of 10,500 sheep. Wala pa yung sa Albany, wala pa yung sa kabilang farm. 3 yung farm. Ito yung main family farm. Ang dilim. Dito tayo. Ayan. Ito na yung shearing shed, guys. Ang lamig dito.
The big other one. They're the best photos because there's 3 there, the original ones.
Yeah.
They drag out to their stands which hang up there.
Then,
There's none up there at the moment.
dito, pinapasok yung mga sheep. Ito yung tinatawag na catching pen. Tapos, pinapasok dyan sila. Dito, here, baba?
Yeah.
And then, comes out here. Tapos, sa mga door na to, come through here. Drag. Tapos, dito, here.
You can sing up there, shear it.
Chuck it out the
Check
shed.
out there.
We'll shear Kimber.
No.
So, they come in there.
Yeah, they come up here, go in there, and they also go down another ramp, and we've got portable yards go in that big lean-to put more sheep. We hold about 550 sheep, 600 sheep.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
So every night there's 600 sheep in the shed.
600. Man. Ito yung ginagamit nila pang shear, guys. Pang tanggal ng wool.
And that's the new wide comb. See how the difference is? That's what they use now, these ones.
Oh, that's sharp.
Oh yeah.
Outdoor toilet daw ni Papi Greg ito. Old school toilet. So guys, yung shed na to was built in 1904. So how long was that? How? 116 years ago. Pero itong part na to, bago daw to. Yung part na yan, luma na yan. Pero na-fix lang. So yun, nakikita yung shearing shed na doon sa likod ko. Ayan. Shearing happens every December, once a year lang. Dito yan sa farm na to. Pero yung iba, nagsishear siguro September or depends sa kanila. Pero dito sa farm ni Papi Greg, every December sila nagsishear. And shearing means taking off the wool, yung bulbul or balahibo ng sheep. At binibenta nila. Ang shearing ay ginagawa dyan sa shearing shed na yan. Pumunta kami guys dyan sa may ano na yan, sa may cottage na yan. Dyan yung sinasabi ni Papi Greg na namatay yung tagabantay ng kanilang farm before na nagtatanim dito. Namatay dyan. Pero yung ghost daw doon sa may shearing shed na yan. Hindi ko alam ha kasi I don't believe in ghost. Unless nakakita talaga ako ng ghost. Pupunta kami sa kabilang farm.
Shouldn't be any gate shut. No sheep.
Ang lamig.
He showed me. He loves the old houses. Wouldn't he? Take a photo of it.
May rabbit daw kaya nag-pull over kami. Where? Chasing rabbits at the farm. Ay, naku. Chasing rabbits, Baba? Ayun, that. There's big. That's a big one. That's a rabbit hole, guys. Ang laki. Tapos meron pa dun, rabbit hole yan. And there's another one right here. He's a bit dead. Skull ng fox, guys, Ayan, Diyos ko. Ayan, may teeth, Is that where the name came from?
Originally, it wasn't that good a piece of farmland, I think. But,
so, itong farm na
now
to,
it's really good piece of farmland.
Itong farm na to, ang pangalan ay Wallacap. How many sides of the farm now?
That's Swaller Up.
Swaller Up there. Wallacap
And the
then.
other one's Oxonia.
Axonia, yun pala. So, 3. So, yung mother farm ay may 3 part, may 3 side. Wallacap, the other one is Axonia, and then the other one, what was the other one again,
Well, that's Swaller Up.
Swaller Up. Pero isang farm lang yun, kaso hinati ba yun, parang may boundaries. Tapos yung isang farm ay puro sheep. Yung isang farm, parang hinati sa ilang plantation. May wheat, may oats, may what's the other one? Barley, lupons, and then canola. So dito naman tayo sa isang part ng farm.
The water still runs through there. It must come out.
Andito halos lahat ng mga sheep. At ang farm na to hindi mo maiikot sa isang araw lang. Kailangan mo ng 3-4 na araw para maikot mo yung buong farm kasi parang nasa 8,000 something hectares to So hindi mo talaga siya maiikot na naglalakad lang. Kailangan mag-drive para maikot mo siya. Ayan guys, so ang daming sheep Dito sa kabila mayroon din. Don't run over
Dead
them.
lamb there, dead. Oh no,
Where?
it's asleep.
That one there? It's walking now. Ang dami nila, oh.
I think they're going to get fed then.
They say, yeah, they're very smart, eh? They're all coming.
Yeah, they reckon they're going to get fed. But no chance.
Ang dami nila, oh. So cute. That little thing, little lamb there.
Late rock.
Are they all hungry? Why do they eat?
Grass.
Oh.
Yeah, they got plenty to eat.
But when there's not much grass, sometimes you've got to feed them. And
Oh.
that's why they get in their head that they're going to be fed.
Yeah.
We'll go through the skate then.
Oh, we're going this way. So pupunta kami guys sa kabilang farm naman. Nagpalit ako ng shirt. Ay, nag-t-shirt ako, may t-shirt ako sa loob. Tapos yung jacket pinalitan ko. Nag-sweater na lang ako ng ganito. Kasi hindi naman masyadong malamig. Well, malamig yung hangin, pero pag nasa sasakyan ka, mainit na siya. Aksonia Farm. Kasi napuntahan na natin yung mother farm. Ito yung mother farm. Ito. Hanggang doon sa pinakadulo. Pero hindi namin naubos yung lahat. So, pupunta naman tayo doon sa kabila. Kasi doon may canola. Para makita nyo yung ano ba. Hindi ko alam kung namumukadkad na yung mga flowers ng canola. Pero maganda daw doon, sabi ni Papi Greg. Diba, nagluto ako ng spaghetti bolognese kagabi. So may leftover. Yun yung aming lunch.
Want your glasses, Dad?
Oh yeah.
Guys, canola.
Yeah, we sold that.
Ang ganda ng pagka-yellow niya, oh.
So that used to be about 33.
Sold one there.
Ganda.
And matted yellow, you won't see anything. And that's got green yellow.
Yan guys, canola. Ganda, oh. So yung canola oil natin nanggagaling yan dyan sa, yan, yung flowers na yan na kulay yellow. Canola yan. So yan, dyan nanggagaling yung ating mga canola oil. Guys, nag-pulled over kami kasi sabi ni Papi Greg, ito daw, oh, gold mine. Ayan. At dito yan sa farm. Kaso yung may-ari ng gold mine na to or yung contractor, eh wala na silang pera. So nag-stop sila ng mining. Pero gold mine daw ito, sabi ni Papi Greg.
It's gold. It's gold here.
Gold?
I need specs.
Rifle range, guys, oh. Shooting range. Kita nyo yan sa dulo. Masyadong maliwanag,
1,000
eh.
meters.
1,000 meters. Ayan.
3, 5, 6,
Ayun,
7,
kita nyo?
9, 1,000.
Back this way each time.
Masyadong
And then
maliwanag.
there's
Simpleng pamumuhay sa
After the Second
farm.
World War,
Ang experience ko ngayong araw na to. Birthday ko pa naman. Another gold mine, guys.
You know what I mean?
Ang laki, oh. Harap pa lang yan. Sa likod pa. Malaki.
That's 120 foot wide.
Oh my goodness. Tingnan nyo yung traktura na yan. Oversized. Ang laki-laki.
boom spray.
Everything's censored. See how the boom lifts up?
Yeah.
That's a sensor telling it to lift up.
Oh.
What he's doing now, he's going around the trees so he can go up and back.
Oh. Oops. Hits the tree?
No.
Yeah. Oh.
See how it's turned off?
Yeah.
That automatically turns off because it's already sprayed there.
GP.
You want to go for a ride?
No.
Go on. Yeah,
Who's
go for
that?
a ride.
Who is that?
It's
Is that Lance?
Yeah.
Sakay kami, guys. Are we gonna fit in here?
You'll have to sit on Dan's knee.
Oh my god.
Jam just slam it.
You met it. You got dinner in it.
No, I don't think we have.
Lance.
Jamie's working.
Yeah. Oh my god. This is fun.
Different than 20 years ago, isn't it?
It's different than 10 years.
So guys, nakasakay kami sa tractor na to. Nag-fertilizer, is it?
No, it's to spray the radish.
Okay. So this is like 36 meters wide,
Yeah,
long.
Yeah.
And yung machine na yan guys, nakikita nyo, etong may green na yan, meaning na may ano na siya, na sprayhan na siya. Yung part na may na white dito sa kabila, hindi pa na-spray. So iikot to, alam na ng machine kung saan yung na-sprayhan, na alam na yung hindi pa na-spray. Kaya pag umiikot yung tractor, nakikita nyo, may dinadaanan tayong green, may dinadaanan tayong puti. That was a very good experience. Ang laki-laki ng traktor. Grabe.
Big bird wings.
Yeah.
36 meters long yung nag-i-spread ng chemical. Parang fertilizer, something yata yun. Tapos yung machine na yun, GPS operated by right? Parang alam niya ng machine kung saan yung part na hindi na-spray ng fertilizer or ng chemical at mga na-spray na kasi
Yeah, that's
Kasi,
the The other one was 100.
may color na siya, may green na siya.
Gets over it.
Got a big black coat there, Jen.
That's right. Dito naman kami guys sa second na farm. Ang farm na to, ang nakatira lang dito yung yung tao nila, tao ng farm na dito nakatira. Dito nakatira. Tagapamahala ba ng farm, dito nakatira. Sa kabila, sa mother farm naman, doon kami. There's another tractor there, oh. Mga silos. Tapos ito yung workshop. Another workshop there. Tapos parang doon yung bahay ng tagapamahala ng farm na to. Andito tayo guys sa another shearing shed.
That's a shearing stand.
Oh. Ah, yeah, I've seen that.
Yeah. One of these packs in there.
Yeah. Ito naman guys, wool press.
This lifts up. And you lift that back and lock it in.
Yeah. And press it.
And then
This one, this
hydraulic
thing.
ram, you pull that down, and that goes down, and some pins, which you can see these pins here. Can you see these pins?
Yeah,
They
yeah.
go in like that and stop the wool coming back up.
Coming back up again. And then it comes back up.
Yeah.
See there?
Yeah.
And then you keep doing it and doing it and doing it until it can't do it no more. And then you...
Until it says it's 185 pound there, kilos. And
Wow.
that's when we pull it out.
Is that the weight you go to?
Meron tayong mga wool dito na mga dirty siya. Ito yung balahibo ng sheep, guys. Ayan ginagawa ng mga coat, beanie, jackets. That one is clean. Ayan guys, oh, tingnan nyo. Ito yung wool. Baba black sheep. Charot. Have you any wool? There's plenty of wool here. So, etong shearing shed na to was built in 1930s. Ayun, may lambo. Maliit, oh.
It might have had trouble lambing and he's gone and brought it home.
Ayan siya, oh.
That's the mum as well.
Yeah, nothing young there. First lamb.
So, sa Wallacap, guys, ay... The Wallacap shearing shed was built in early 1902. 06, 03, something like 04. Mali tayo lahat. 1904. This shearing shed was built in 1930s. So imagine how old is that now? 100 something years?
90 years.
90 years? This one is 90 years. The Wallacap is 116 years. Imagine ang tanda na ng shearing shed. A lonely sheep. Dito na ulit kami sa farmhouse. Ang dami namin ginalaan. Tapos mamayang konti ay magre-ready kami to have dinner. My birthday dinner. Yep. My birthday dinner. And it was a great experience. Naka-experience ako ng tawag dito. Pina-experience sa akin ni Baba. Ayan, the spider, what's that?
The big
what? The what?
big thingy.
The big thingy. Pinasakay nila ako sa parang machine na yun ba? Kanina ba? Pinakita ko sa inyo. Ay, naku, napakaganda ng experience. Pero, ayun nga, pagod ako. Napagod ako sobra kasi si Papi Greg gusto niya, halika, punta tayo dito doon. Igala kita doon, dito, blah, blah, blah. Out and about again. We're going to Naibing Hub to have dinner.
You guys sit in the front, I'll sit in the back.
Yeah? Okay.
The road then.
Yeah, okay.
And the headers don't stop unless...
So, imagine guys, you live here in the middle of nowhere. Pag pupunta ka ng shop to Kataning is 40, more or less 35 minutes. And then to Naibing, how far is it?
Driving is about 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Kung bibili ka ng mga damit, like clothing and other stuff, pupunta ka ng Albany, that's 2.5 hours.
And you have to wait 100 years for your next chimney.
Next what?
So chimney, what do you call them?
Jeepney. Jeepney.
Isn't that terrible, man?
No
And
phone
we're here with
signal.
no phone signal.
Tapos pag na-breakdown yung sasakyan mo, you have no one to help you. Iwanan mo na lang yung sasakyan mo tapos maglakad ka. Dito tayo guys sa semeteryo ng Naibing.
Dead center.
Dead center of Naibing, sabi ni Papa. Buang.
No one here talks back to you.
Dito kami sa semeteryo ng Naibing. Kasi dito nilibing yung lolo at lola ni Baba. Yan yung lolo ni Baba.
And that is actually wrong.
Lola niya. A very small cemetery guys. Ito yung cemetery ng Naibing. Little country town. Walang kagaya sa atin na apartment style na ganon-ganon. Parang condominium style. Patong-patong, walang ganon dito. Puro lahat sa underground. O diba? Parang ano talaga siya. Napaka neat. Tapos may munting gazebo sila dyan, oh. Ito na yung town ng Naibing, guys. Ang liit-liit. A very small town. Very quiet. Zombie town, babe.
Zombie?
Yeah.
No.
Walang katao-tao, oh.
Yeah, so there's the playground, look at it.
Ito yung school ni Dan,
Indoor,
guys.
there's the indoor netball basketball courts.
Oh, okay. Primary school or
Used to
elementary
just all be
school
lawn,
ni Baba.
basically,
Dito
yeah.
daw siya nag-aral. Ang liit-liit lang, community school.
Used to be the store.
Ay, wow, ang
that's where-
ganda-ganda. Ang
That was the
liit-liit.
old part, and then they built that bit when we went.
Dati daw tong school, guys. Naibing School. From 1924 to 1963. Ang school na to.
This is where probably Greg's brain exploded.
So dito kami guys magdi-dinner. Naibing Community Hub. Bago daw to. Tapos meron silang accommodation and functions. Dito kami sa may tavern, country tavern. And I'm having Moscato. Jacob's Creek, ayan siya. And Baba's having Shiraz. Sitting by the fireplace.
Cheers, Miggies. 25. Again.
25 again. Ay guys, pasok tayo dito sa may store, oh. Oh. Hold. Nag-iisang store sa Naibing. Ito. At they have pretty much everything dito. Ang liit-liit ng store. May mga veggies din sila. May mga pang house thingy. Ganon. Frozen. Ano yan? Tapos veggies. Ay, bongga. May bakery din sila. So yeah, ang liit-liit ng store na to. Nag-iisang store sa buong town ng Naibing. Yung father-in-law ko, sabi niya, Jen, labas ka doon. Puntahan mo yung shire na yan, oh. Sabi niya ganun. Kasi yan yung shire ng pinakauna-una dito sa Naibing. And it was built in 1901. Ayan guys, yan yung shire na sinasabi ng father-in-law ko. Na sabi niya, puntahan mo kasi sobrang tanda na niyan. At parang historic na siya sa lugar na to. Medyo madilim na guys, pero tingnan natin kung makikita natin, mababasa natin. This building was built in 1915. Oh, okay. So, been used as a school from 1915 to 1923. Tapos, naging Kent Road Board offices from 1923 to 1938. Naging community hall, tapos naging church. Tapos, ganyan lang. Ito lang siya. Maliit lang siya. At guys, ito yung town ng Naibing. Dito pinanganak yung asawa ko. Charot. So, etong town na to, dito pinanganak at dito lumaki yung asawa ko na asungot. O, diba? Dito nag-aral ng elementary. Tapos, dito naman daw accommodation. Parang hotel, mini hotel nila guys. Or mini motel. Dito na part na to. Hindi ko alam kung ilang doors. I think 4 or 5. And then, eto naman yung tavern or yung kanilang hotel pub. Dito kami kakain ng dinner. Probinsya talaga guys, as in.
Do you like my beard?
No, I don't.
gonna grow one. Happy birthday to you.
Ito na yung dinner namin, guys. Papa's having the same. And Papi Greg's is having chicken parmy. Kakatapos lang namin mag-dinner, guys. And I'm going home na. We're going home na. Woohoo!
It's time they jump out of the way. Happy birthday to me. Sorry, Jen. Happy birthday to... Sorry, Jen.
We're back in the farmhouse.
I stoked the fires. Let's see if it's warm.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's warm in here.
Sorry,
Very
Papi.
cold outside, but it's...
Bye-bye, Papi Greg.
Ay! Don't close the door! My goodness, your daddy's outside. Kulit-kulit mong anak ka. Hi! Tinreat ako ni Papi Greg ng dinner. Kami ni Baba. Ayun, siya nagbayad ng dinner namin. Oh, what you doing?
I'm gonna fire this up.
Yeah?
Who's television?
Sa wakas, makakauwi na tayo ng city tomorrow and hopefully ma-upload ko agad yung ating vlog kasi ang tagal nating hindi nakapag-upload kasi walang internet dito sa malayong kabihasnan. Si Baba andito sa sala. Oh. Baba? What you doing there? Baba? What you doing? Kimber, labas. Labas, Kimber. Kimber. Baba. Baba. Kimber got in. He got in. Kimber.
Oh, shit. Can you grab him?
I can't. It's too...
No, I'm allergic to cats, though.
I'm scared.
He's fine.
He's too big. Time to bed, guys. Kasi bukas, maaga kaming magbabiyahe pabalik ng Mandra. After ng Mandra, kukunin namin... Ay, i-drop off namin si Papi sa kanila, sa bahay niya. Doon kami dadaan pa uwi ng Perth. Hindi ko pa na-impake yung mga damit namin. Ito, labada. Lahat yan. Tapos, kukunin pa namin yung kubrikama neto. Dadalhin pa uwi sa Mandra. Ang lamig-lamig na. Okay, bihis muna tayo ng pantulog. Lights off na sa labas, guys. Ayun na yung ating vlog for tonight. Sana ay nag-enjoy kayo sa ating birthday vlog. Ginala tayo ni Papi Greg sa buong farm. Nawendang din ako, guys. Sobrang laki. Pero, alam ko naman talaga na farmers sila. Alam ko naman na marami silang mga kabukiran and kapatagan and taniman. Ganun, mga ganun. But hindi ko in-expect na ganun kalayo. Ganun kalaki, kalawak. But anyway, yeah, sana ay nag-enjoy kayo sa ating vlog for today. And... Ooh. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please consider subscribing. Ang birthday wish ko sa inyong lahat ay hindi lang para sa akin, kundi para sa ating lahat, na sana ay matapos na itong pandemic na to at para magkasama-sama na yung mga pamilyang hindi nakapag-banding at sana makauwi na yung mga OFW na namimiss yung mga family sa Pilipinas. Kasama na ako dun, isa na ako dun. So yun, guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Ooh.
That's my noodle.
Ba't ka naghubad sa harap ko? See you on the next vlog, guys. Good night. Good night, Baba.
Good night, Bubba.
See you tomorrow.
Oh, good night, Bubba.
Good night, guys.